Okay, now for the fitness portion for week 3. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get on the ground. And we've been doing these for a little bit. What you want to do is we want to mimic someone comes and we're on the ground. Okay? We want to make sure that we're able to go into one and be able to protect ourselves. In case someone's coming in to come in and get you through the side, you can protect your head this way. We're going to keep our feet like this in a fetal position so it's harder for them to come in, as Ms. Alexis is doing. Hi, thank you. Keep them from kicking us. We don't want to have anything hanging out where they can drag us easier. We want to make sure that we practice that. Now, the other thing we need to do, can I see? Thank you. All right, my little instructor here. Now, whenever we're down like this, next thing we're going to do is we're going to practice our kick. Big thing is we want to take this foot, come out and anchor it and hook that person's ankle. At the same time we're bringing this person into us, we're bringing them into the fight, we're going to pull, this leg is going to come up, and we're going to kick, and we're going to pull, push at the same time. We're doing this because as we're grabbing a hold, we're hooking them, making sure that they're not going to go from us, and we can control that person, number one. Number two, patho-wise, we bring them in and we start to hit here. As we're doing this, we're softening the knee, where the knee now has no choice but to go straight instead of being bent. As we pull and hit, we're going to be able to manipulate that joint if we have to. It will make the knee snap easier if that's what we're going for. Again, remember, legality things we got to take in consideration. But if you're in a fight for your life, you're in a fight for your life. So we're going to practice this. And then the other one is we're going to hook, and then we're going to practice hitting high. Make sure you keep yourself in this position so that you can practice just in case someone else is coming around to grab a hold of you. Okay, so we might not have one opponent or one aggressor. We may have multiple aggressors. So that's why we want to make sure that we get comfortable moving. We're going to hook and push. And then if they were to come in on top of us, it's kind of bend over, we're going to practice hitting up here so we can get them around the belly area. You might even be able to, if they come in, kind of get them in the groin area, in the femoral area. But this is what we're going to do. We need to practice this for, again, for 30 seconds. We do one side. We're going to turn around to this side. Make sure that we're in this position to protect our head or our body. So again, we're going to practice hook, pull, push. One. Hook, pull, and then hit higher. Hook, high. Do this 10 times. And you can practice here, hit, hit. Practice hooking, pull, push, hit up. Pull, push, pull, push. All right? Make sure you practice that. Get comfortable with doing that. Now, the other thing that we're going to practice is going to be our hand to heel movements. We're going to go this way and then this way. Have our hands down our side. We're going to twist like this. We're going to practice doing this. Again, I'm going to show you 10 times on each side. But you want to practice doing this for 30 seconds up to a minute each time. Now, why are we practicing this? Well, someone goes to come in and we're on the ground. Maybe we get pushed on the ground. All right, we're having a bad day if we're in this position. So that person, the immediate thing they're going to do is try to jump on top of you. You're going to protect yourself. Then you can come up. Again, you can push them, hit them in the knees, or get them at the waist level. Okay? So that's the whole purpose of doing this. We want to make sure that our muscles are toned for this. We also want to make sure that we have flexibility with this. All right, now, the last thing we will be doing, we'll be standing, bending, bringing our hands down, and we're just going to crawl with our hands. And then crawl back. Again, this is all for building flexibility, building strength. I'm going to do this 10 times, but the goal is to do this for 30 seconds up to a minute. What happens if this is too easy? I can do more than this, more longer than a minute. Well, good. Then challenge yourself. Take it up to a minute and 30 seconds. Take it up to 2 minutes. Okay. That is it for the fitness portion of this. Already went through the bear hug with another person. Keep training. Keep doing what you're doing. As you keep practicing, you will improve your movements. I'm already becoming aware of some of my movements where I need to make changes as I'm doing this. All right. Happy practicing and be safe.